Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. Today we are here in Shaheen Education System, and we are going to discuss with the director of Shaheen Education System the modern system examination that which has been declared from the federal board, that is called SLO Based. So we are going to get understand from the director of Shaheen Education System that what is his thoughts about SLO Based and how they are making understand the new system of examination to their students. So we're going to ask a few questions about this system of examinations from them. We are here to know from you that a new system of examinations. Previous year, couple of papers were on that pattern, but this year the whole examination is on that pattern. So could you make clear to us that what is SLO base?
Actually, sir, SLO based is student learning outcome. Previous year, about 50% of the course was based on the SLO base. The examination was actually based on SLO, student learning outcome. But on this, in this examination, this current year, the whole paper, the 100% paper will be covered on SLO based. SLO base is actually what the student has learned in their syllabus, in their course. In the previous examination, student used to utilize the whole course and the whole syllabus, and they used to memorize the question at the end of the chapter. In the exercise of the chapter, a specific question used to be given, and the students were going to memorize that question. But right now, there will be no such sort of question from the exercise. I think so. Around about 30 or 40% will cover the exercises. Otherwise, the paper will be based on the internal material of the chapter, or of the what you can say, of the whole chapter. That whatever is inside the chapter, the students have to cover those things for that thing. So for the SLO base, student must know and must study the books. If they are studying the books, it means that they are covering the whole syllabus.
Okay, sir.
And
Thank you.
if they are not familiar with that thing, so it means that they will not be able to get good marks in this examination SLO base. One thing more which I want to add here is that SLO based for the SLO based examination system, now there is a big problem for our students as well as for the parents, and as well as for the schools as well. You know that we are facing here such a problem that the students, they don't know English. Our student in our country, the examination system is such that the students are studying from their nursery class till postdoctorate. They are studying all the syllabus in English, but they are not able to understand and speak English. So for that purpose, we must teach our students English first of all. If all students are able to speak English, if they are able to understand English, if they are able to write English, then SLO base is not a problem for them.
And so, like first, the previous when the student would used to study, so they would only remember the questions which is mentioned at the end of the chapter. So
Yes.
now for this new system of examination, how they should study for getting a high grades in board.
So actually, I have told you before that in the previous sort of examination, all the questions were already mentioned in the exercise. Students have or a student must have to read and to understand and to learn and to memorize these questions. The whole paper will be covered in that way. But right now in this new system, the student must study on their own. They must understand. The basic thing is understanding. If they are understanding a specific topic, a specific chapter, so they will be able to perform in that examination. And then the next thing which is correlated with this is English language. If they are able to learn English, or if they are able to write and speak English, so it will be very easy for them to perform in that examination SLO based. So self study is very much important in the SLO based examination. Topic wise study is important, and the main thing I think is that the student must concern, or the student must take some help from the internet as well. from the Google. So in this way, they will be able to cover their SLO based examination.
And what about the previous system and this modern? So, what is the difference? Like, is that effective for the students, or this new system is effective for the
This new
students?
system is very much effective for the student because actually it is based on the learning of the student.
Okay.
If a student is learning, he will be performing. He will be moving forward. If he is not learning, then it means it's the previous system was such that the students were not learning. They were not focusing on the SLOs. They were just memorizing, ritualization. That was a rote system. So throughout the world, the examination system has been transformed, but in our country, it's we are very late, but still it's good that we have moved to the SLO based system because in this system the student must understand something, and for this understanding, once again, I am saying that English is very much important for them. They must know English. If they are able to know or they are able to understand English language, then performing in the examination is very much easy for them.
Okay.
So for the SLO based system, English is important for them.
And most of the students, they were asking about the books, like should they only study their textbook, or they should also get some help from the other books or from the other sources for the specific topic?
When it comes to SLO based,
Okay.
okay, so it means you are based, or your examination will be based on your learnings, whatever you have learned about a specific topic. A specific topic, let's say in our biology system, in our biology course, there are different topics, but in books, in our textbooks, they are covering a very minimum portion of their topics. You can refer to the internet, you can study different books for covering for the extra knowledge of their specific topic. So this is important, and it will be very good for the students if they study other books related to those topics, or they can also take help from the internet, from the Google, for those topics, for searching extra or for getting extra knowledge of that topic. So it is important for them to study out of their textbooks.
Okay. Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you for your time, and I hope all of your objections or questions regarding SLO bus will have been cleared. If there is still some ambiguity inside your mind, so you can ask on our social media platforms, or you can physically visit our school for getting your sins clear on the SLO bus. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.